Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to make a roast. So we're going to use roast drumsticks. So I got a medium oven bags. So we got flour. Then we got chicken drumsticks in the microwave. So it's all thawed out now. It might be alright like this. And then, so we've got drumsticks here. So, okay. Get the oven, get the in the bag. So we're gonna put flour in the bag. So get a spoon. Get a silly in it, it's so tiny. So I've used now. You gotta clean up while you're cooking. Oh, I've got to clean on this. Okay. So we're going to put 4 chicken drumsticks in this bag. So that's 1. So that's 1. So that's 2. So this is 3. So this is 4. So we're going to tie up the bag. So we'll pinch a little hole. So I'm going to put the oven on. Oh yeah, it stayed on. So we're going to put this in the oven. It's good. Tiny. Thank you for watching how to make roast in the oven with, we got onion, carrots, and spicy garlic. That's what those ingredients. Let's go push the notification bell for more videos down the line. Running yourself. Bye.